Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Saddiq Ali and today I am again present with my new video. In this video we are going to mulberries orchard and we are going to pick mulberries. I am in the way and I am going toward the mulberry garden, mulberry orchard. So let's go there and I show you the all the plants and varieties of the mulberries there. So we are on the way and it's getting rain and I am under the umbrella and going towards the mulberry garden. So you can see at the left side of me it is my school, FG Boys High School, Sanjwal, Kent, and you can see the situation of the road. It is not good and rain is happening and it is drizzling, but I have my umbrella and I am safe from the rainwater and we are just about to reach near the mulberry garden and let's go faster. So finally friends, I reached the mulberry garden and you can see mulberries on the mulberry tree and it is drizzling and weather is very nice and in this weather I am picking mulberries from the tree and its taste is very good. I think it is Australian Turk variety and its taste is very good, very nice. It is little bit sweet and little bit sour. So finally friends, I am standing in mulberry garden. Rain begins to fall. The mulberry trees around me are full of ripe fruit, their branches slightly bending under the weight. Raindrops softly tap against the leaves, creating a calm, smoothing rhythm. The air is cool and fresh, carrying the earthy scent of wet soil and the sweetness of mulberries. I reach up and pick them one by one, soft, juicy, and deep in color. My hands get stained as I gather them, and every bite tastes rich and naturally sweet. Water drips from the leaves onto my hands and face, but it only adds to the peaceful feeling. The garden feels alive, quiet, and refreshing at the same time. There is no rush, no noise, just the rain, the trees, and this simple moment of picking mulberries. It's one of those rare times when everything feels calm and perfectly in place. Some leaves above me collect drops of water, then suddenly release them, falling like tiny showers. In the distance, faint sounds of birds can still be heard, blending softly with the rain. The sky is grey, covered with clouds, yet everything feels bright in its own quiet way. And you can see the mulberry trees are full of mulberries and their branches are bending, look like a bowing in front of the god. And you can see that it is
This is mulberry
full of
plant,
mulberries,
mulberry
looking very beautiful.
garden in
This is
Sanjal, Kent.
creativity of my God, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and no one can make the things like Allah subhanahu wa
This is
ta'ala.
so sweet, mulberry flower.
Look at the leaves of the trees and the rainy water, tiny water on the tops, and you can see the road view. It is getting rain on the road, and in front of you, it is. These all are the mulberry trees and those trees, and this is the most where I say prayer. And now finally we I picked. Friends, you are watching the creativity of the God in front of me. You can see the mulberry tree that is full of mulberries, and it shows the creativity of the God. And so, friends, you can see these are the creations made by Allah, things we can never compete with or replicate. Allah has created such beautiful things for us, far beyond what we can even imagine. And Allah says, do you not reflect? And friends, you can see in front of me, I think it is Australian Turk variety. And what do you say about this variety? If I am wrong, kindly tell me in the comment. तो मैं खा